Well, here it is, the one everybody's been waiting for. Okay, maybe not everybody. At least 10 people. Okay, I can come up with 4 or 5 right off the top of my head, and that's including me. TLANTEHATS reveal. Let's get started. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. TLANTEHATS really delivered. And when I say they really delivered, what I mean is there was a package brought to my house from the U.S. Post Office and left on my front porch. So TLANTEHATS did deliver. I was skeptical if I was ever even going to get a hat from them. So you don't know what we're talking about. There's another video that you need to go watch. It's a prerequisite for this one. It's good down in the description. Just go take a look at it. Hat prices too good to be true, probably are, something like that. I don't remember the whole title of it, but you need to go watch that, and we'll wait. Y'all back? Y'all all caught up? Well, seems like there's something I need to ask y'all to do right now, but for the life of me, I can't remember what it is. It'll come to me. In a nutshell, what we did is we found this website on Facebook, and we went to this website, and they sell hats. And it was a little weird going on there, where their hat prices were like extremely better than there. I'm talking $100 cheaper than everybody else. Now, I ordered this hat right here, and it came in. I actually got it. Honestly, the shipping time was not bad. I ordered it on the 1st of February, and I got it last weekend, which was the 11th. So 10-day turnaround. I can't complain about that, honestly. And when I went back to the website to try to pull the hat up and prices and all that kind of stuff, the hat was gone. It's not even on the website anymore. I get a 404 error page code or whatever. That's what it looks like now. 404 page, not found. So I don't know if they stopped selling it, ran out of inventory. I don't know what happened, but it ain't available anymore. Now, I had to order the hat from this website, and they charged more for box shipping. And I chose not to get box shipping. So I thought, for some reason in my brain, I thought box shipping meant maybe they was gonna put it in a box marked TLANTEHATS, or, you know, the box of the manufacturer, the actual hat box it came in. Well, maybe that's what they were talking about. And I figured it'd come in a box, but people, I swear on Obert's right ear. And who would do anything to hurt this old boy's right ear? That I have done nothing to alter this package. This is how it showed up on my front porch. I did nothing to make this look worse or anything to make it look better. And this is how it showed up on my front porch. Now, when they say box shipping, what they mean is if you don't order it in a box, they're gonna send it in a plastic bag. Yes, there's a hat in there, and this is how it showed up. I know, crazy, right? So, but yeah, there it is. It was ripped open right here. I honestly haven't seen this hat. I do not know what's in here. So we're gonna take a look at this one again. It's the Ferguson Fedora. It's slate and gray. Let's see what TLANTEHATS actually sent me. Now, on their website, I spent $34 with shipping and everything, $34. Now, this hat right here was $145 on another website, on Southern Gents or whatever. And so I can't wait any longer. Let's see what we got in here. look at that. Yep, that's kind of exactly what I thought was gonna happen. No box. Oh my, this is horrible. Let's pull the hat band back down on it, like that. We can make this work. We can make this happen. All right, I'm gonna work on this a little bit off camera, see if I can make it presentable, but right now, this is pathetic. This is pathetic. I'll be right back. And we're back. So this is the best I could do. I hope y'all can see how horrible this is. This hat is so freaking cheap. It is incredible. Look at that. Well, got a nice pretty teardrop crown on it. Nice pretty feather. Took it up there and let my wife look at it, and she's like, that looks like a cheap kid's Halloween costume hat. Let's see how this thing looks. I'm actually scared to put it on my head. It is, can you see that? Let's see what it's made out of. 65% cotton and 35% polyester. Made in China. See what she looks like. Oh yeah, look at that, boy. Come on. Come on. So, in a nutshell, I did get the hat that I ordered. You can see, right here, this is what I ordered. And this is what came in. It's close. I don't think it's a Ferguson, but it's close. Yeah. So if you're ordering hats on TLANTEHATS, like I said, hats cheap hats. So this is what you get when you order something from TLANTEHATS with a $100 price discrepancy against other. Look at that, it's horrible, horrible. So, yeah, if you're looking for a good Halloween costume hat, TLANTEHATS, we'll sell you one. Fits. It actually fits my head. So, it's really not a bad looking hat. If it wasn't just all tore up like that. So, I don't even know where to go with this. I'm speechless right now. So, but that's it. TLANTEHATS. There's nothing good I can say about this hat. It fits. Don't get all excited about this hat and run off thinking you're gonna buy one from TLANTEHATS. Well, like I said a while ago, it's not even available anymore, so I can't really get it. Yeah, it's horrible. It's in horrible shape. It's a cheap hat. So it actually fits my head quite well, actually. And so I don't recommend TLANTEHATS unless you're just, looking for a cheap hat. If you're looking for a cheap hat, great place to go. If you're looking for a good quality hat, TLANTEHATS is probably not the place for you to go. So be careful when you're ordering hats and stuff on there. If you find a price that's just like, oh my goodness, look at the price on this hat. Yeah, that's probably not, well, like the title says, hats for cheap hats. So TLANTEHATS, not necessarily a scam, I don't guess. I did get a hat. It did only cost me $30-something, $35, whatever. So it's not really a scam, but cheap hat. Cotton and polyester hat right there. Well, that's about all I got to say about that. So thank y'all for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing and liking and all that kind of stuff. Really appreciate it. Really helps me out. And we'll see y'all on the next one. Bye-bye.